Ever pondered over why post-workout nutrition holds such significance? Let's unwrap this mystery today. Just as a car needs fuel to run, our bodies demand nutrition to perform optimally, especially after a strenuous workout session. While we push our limits during exercise, our muscles undergo wear and tear. It's here that protein enters the scene as the superhero of post-workout nutrition. Acting as building blocks, protein aids in muscle recovery and growth, restoring the strength and vigor we need to keep going. Now, what if we told you there's a delicious and easy way to consume this essential nutrient? Yes, we're talking about protein smoothies. These blends not only offer a quick and convenient source of protein, but also ensure rapid digestion and absorption, giving your muscles the immediate nourishment they crave. So, now that we've established the significance of post-workout nutrition, it's time to reveal 3 protein-packed smoothie recipes that'll boost your recovery process. Starting with our first smoothie, we have the berry protein smoothie, a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. To make this delightful concoction, you'll need a handful of mixed berries. These little gems are not only rich in flavor, but they're also packed with antioxidants that help your body recover from a strenuous workout. You can use fresh or frozen berries depending on what's available. Next, we add a dollop of Greek yogurt. This is where we get a good chunk of our protein from. Greek yogurt is also a great source of calcium and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. It lends a creamy texture to our smoothie and balances out the tartness of the berries. Moving on, we incorporate a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This is the muscle-building element of our smoothie. While there are various types of protein powders in the market, choose one that suits your dietary needs and taste preferences. Finally, we bring everything together with a pour of almond milk. Almond milk is a fantastic dairy-free option that adds a subtle sweetness and a silky finish to the smoothie. It also provides essential nutrients like vitamin E. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and voila! Your berry protein smoothie is ready. Taste it, tweak it to your liking, and enjoy the burst of flavors. There you have it, a berry protein smoothie, packed with antioxidants and protein to aid your recovery. Moving on to our second recipe, the tropical protein smoothie, giving you a taste of the tropics while fueling your muscles. Let's start by gathering fresh, ripe pineapple, mango, and banana. The pineapple brings a burst of vitamin C, while the mango and banana add a natural sweetness and a dose of potassium. Next, it's time to blend these tropical fruits together until you achieve a smooth consistency. This creates the refreshing base of our smoothie. Now, let's add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This is the muscle-building component of our smoothie, providing the essential amino acids your body needs for repair and growth. And for an extra tropical touch, pour in a splash of coconut milk. Not only does this add a creamy texture and subtle sweetness, but it also introduces healthy fats and electrolytes into the mix. Blend it all together one last time and voila! Enjoy your tropical protein smoothie, a delightful mix of fruits and protein to fasten your recovery. Finally, we have the green protein smoothie, a nutritious blend that's as healthy as it looks. Let's dive into the steps of whipping up this verdant mix of vitamins and proteins that your muscles will thank you for. Start with the spinach, a leafy green known for its high iron content, essential for oxygenating the blood and aiding muscle recovery. Add a handful or 2 to the blender, depending on your taste preference. Next up, we have the avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber, contributing to a satiating and energy-boosting smoothie. Half an avocado will work perfectly for this recipe. Now, let's sweeten things up with a banana. Not only does it provide a natural sweetness, but it also brings a good dose of potassium, a mineral that helps in muscle contraction and hydration. Peel and slice 1 ripe banana into your blender. Moving on to the liquids, we'll be using almond milk. It's a fantastic dairy-free option that provides a subtle, nutty flavor and a smooth texture. Pour in around 1.5 cups of almond milk. Lastly, let's not forget the star of the show, the protein powder. Scoop in your favorite brand, giving you that essential protein boost to aid in muscle repair and growth post-workout. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth and creamy. And voila! There you have it, the Green Protein Smoothie, a powerhouse of nutrients and proteins to boost your muscle recovery. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Want to learn more about creating amazing smoothies, healthy eating to improve your life, smoothie technology, and kitchen essentials? Then remember to head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great recipes and smoothie tips and tricks.